Hey there, fellow shoppers. If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder, you know how awesome it is to rack up rewards on your everyday purchases. But what happens when your card's expiration date rolls around, and you need to update it to keep things running smoothly? Don't sweat it. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. This quick tutorial will have you sorted in no time, so you can get back to that Prime Day shopping spree. First off, why does this matter? Updating your card's expiration date ensures your payments go through without a hitch, avoiding any awkward decline transactions. Let's dive in. Start by heading to the Amazon website or opening the Amazon app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account, the one linked to your Prime Visa. Once you're in, navigate to the Account and List section, usually found in the top right corner. From there, click on Your Account. Now, scroll down to the Your Payments or Payment Methods option. This is where all your saved cards are stored. Look for your Amazon Prime Visa card in the list. It might be under Credit Cards or Wallets. If it's not showing up, double-check that it's linked properly. Next, select the card you want to update. You'll see an Edit or Manage button. Click that. Here, you'll find fields for the card number, expiration date, and security code. Carefully enter the new expiration date from your physical card or the one Chase sent you. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Once you've made the changes, hit Save or Update. Amazon might ask you to verify your identity for security reasons, so have your account details handy. And just like that, you're all set. It usually takes a few minutes for the changes to process, but your card should now be good to go for future purchases. One quick tip. If you're having trouble, check your email from Chase. They often send updates or instructions. If issues persist, reach out to Amazon or Chase customer support. They're super helpful. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tech and shopping tips. What's your favorite Amazon hack? Drop it in the comments below. Stay savvy and happy shopping.